Wow, Coach Legend family. Before we let you go, however, we do want to play a quick game with you. We've been playing with our guests. Really fun, super simple. We call it a word of advice with a mentor. And Coach, the way that we play, I'm going to throw a few words at you, and then you're going to give us back a word of advice using that word. Does that make sense?
Absolutely.
All right, man. If you're ready to play, I got the first word for you. It's focus.
Oh my God. You have to be focused. See, my acronym for focus, you got to focus on one simple thing until you hit it, right? So like you cannot have wavering faith. You got to be laser focused, tunnel vision, focus on something until you are successful. That's it.
Good stuff. Love it. The next word is friends.
Oh man. And so friends, friends are amazing, but they can also be what's holding you back. Just like, friends and jobs, sometimes that can be a hindrance. That can be what handicap you. Sometimes you got to leave your best friend to go live your best life.
Ooh, I like that. The next word is family.
Oh my God. See, for me, family is everything. Like, the only reason that I am successful is because of my family. There's a certain lifestyle that I wanted my family, to have. So my family, like your house have to be in order. Everything I do is for family, to balance my family. Like, I get to wake up to my son and my daughter every single day, unless I'm traveling. So there is nothing better than that. And I get to spend time with my family and friends.
Wow. The next word is journey.
Whew, man, you know what? This has been an amazing journey because when I was younger, I always wanted to be a motivational speaker. I always wanted to speak to large crowds, but I have a stuttering problem. It was worse back then. And so a lot of people shut me down. Like, it would bring tears to my eyes because I didn't know how I would overcome that. And so I was stuttering, and they told me that I had a speech impediment problem, that I would never make it to be someone to be training or coaching. And now I train and coach every single day and have trained hundreds of thousands of people. It was just insane.
Wow. The very last word that we have, and I know you're going to love this one. I know you know a lot about this word, residual.
Oh my God. See, residual is what keeps me excited for doing the work one time and still getting paid for it. See, residual income and passive income is definitely where it's at, because here's the thing. If you have a job, and then nothing against the job, because I had to leverage a job to get to where I'm at today. If you don't go in today, right, you don't eat. See, I work from home. And so that residual income for doing the work one time, we are getting paid, every single month. And so to me, residual, because we have residual bills, you got to have residual income to offset that.
After class. And I was thinking, like, man, my parents are spending so much money for me to be in school, and I'm in a business environment setting, and the professor is now discouraging me, for starting my own business at 21 years old. So, yeah, man, everybody gets hate. Everybody gets nonsense. I tell people, some of the closest people to you, whether you're getting involved in real estate or insurance or network marketing, or you're building funnels and internet marketing, whatever you're doing, making music, it doesn't really matter. A lot of people close to you are going to discourage you, tell you it's not possible. And it's not because they don't love and care about you. It's because they don't want you to leave. Because if you make it, you get successful, and you change your environment, they're afraid you're going to leave them behind. the goal is definitely to motivate, inspire, and give the listeners some real tangible things and strategies they can do to 10x, 100x their business rest of 2020 for sure.
You could get a rose and sniff, I'm woke, it's lit, they really fake, so switch, excuse all the temperament. You could catch me with a ride venom, it's not a fantasy, ride it and now I'm sore, but the flow don't tend no messing with the kid, yeah, I'm on to something, got no kind of chill, lately I don't even feel, I mean for real, they know I got skill, I do not have time to kill, the more money I reel in, the more that they feel me is why, but the way that they build this, the reason I fear.